Hi guys, this is my rubber band powered Poundland Fly Swatter. When I did it, I was talking about the way it was flexing, and Spencer Hunt looked at it and he said we could make use of that flex. So he's just done a car where he's using a spring for the fuselage or the body, and as the spring stretches, it drives the car forwards. I have done spring-powered cars, but I haven't ever used the actual body as the spring. So I'm going to modify this one to make it work like the one that Spencer did. All I'm going to do is take the rubber band off, attach a piece of cotton to the front and to the wheel, and as I wind it up, it's going to flex the car. Now I might do it that way up so that when it flexes, it comes upwards. Or I could do it that way and just see how far it's got. No, I think I'll do it the other way up. I'll do it that way up. You'll see what I mean in a minute. I'll put the phone, put the phone. My phone is a camera, or my camera is a phone. I'll put that on a tripod so you can see what I'm doing. Right. Take the rubber band off. Measure this. Oh, let's just do a loop. No need to do fancy knots. That will do. Okay. Now we need the other end to come to that there. Yep, that should be about right. Cut that off. Put that on there. So as we wind it up, we're flexing the body, which is why I was saying I think I'll do it the other way up. So that'll start touching the floor in a minute. Right. Right. Well, we'll do that again. Right, we'll do that again. This time we'll chase it. So string over the hook. Wind it up, flexing the body. And obviously we'll now have a go and see if we can hit the camera. So excellent result, Spencer. Brilliant. And I love the way I hardly had to do anything to my car to get it to work. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.